Good day, everyone. I've got this portable video player here for an unboxing and review. Let's check this thing out. I'm excited for this. Here's everything that came in the box. So it's got the screen itself, and check this out. It's got the dash cam on the back as well. It's got the directions. Got a jumper here, power cord, and some double-sided tape. Okay, so looking on the back of this, this is where the Type-C connector is going to go, and then that's where the jumper is going to go too. And then you can put a card right there, an SD card, a micro SD card in there for memory, which is what I'll be doing because you need a bunch of that for the footage driving on the road. Okay, I've got this thing plugged into the 12 volt here, kind of like the cigarette lighter, and the other end's just plugged right in there to the console itself. Here's what I get right when I fire it up. There's a power button right here too. You can turn that off and turn it back on. So here's home, but you can do Apple CarPlay, Android Cast, Bluetooth music, Wi-Fi video, Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, DVR, playback, and audio output. So you can hook your DVD player up through this with that aux cord there. This is nice. It's kind of taking a look at the seat right there. That's the dash cam, and it'll pull up or down too. There's an adjustment right there. All right, so if you want to get to the camera, you just click on Wi-Fi video there, and then you want to click on this one over here on the left. Cancel that. This is just to get the camera working. There we go. Now, you get all the functions associated with the camera, so you need a card there. There we go, got the micro SD card put right in there. Okay, now we have a few more capabilities on this thing. Now that we got the SD card in there, just tap the screen and it'll give you all your choices along there. Okay, do we want to format it? Yeah, we want to confirm. So it'll go ahead and format it for you. There we go, that was quick. Now, look at that, we're recording. The thing up there in the corner tells me so. And if we want to stop recording, okay, it takes a photo. That plays back what you recorded. So here's your choices over there, and it's just playing back what we recorded. Okay, that's got the audio function on there too, which helps it record. We had it on mute, so let's go ahead and stop recording there. All right, we'll just go through the menu here. So here's home. So there's Apple CarPlay, and it says click Apple CarPlay widget on the smart screen, so you can go half screen mode too. It says pair it with the Bluetooth, and then when using the iPhone prompt, say use CarPlay with the smart screen. So I could use my tunes on this too, and just pair it up with the Bluetooth on my phone. So if you go to Bluetooth manage here, it kind of gives you the device name, Bluetooth. You can see if it's paired or not, and then you can also unpair it and then auto connect. Go back to home. Got it all paired up with my Bluetooth on the phone. Well, this is really nice. It's got GPS on it as well, so you can just run. This screen's bigger than an iPhone screen, so you can just run all your apps off this. You can see I got directions and music, and I can even text over there too. To home. Same thing with Android Auto, so it's the same thing. You could do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The DVR, plug in your DVR. There's playback. So it says to use playback, you got to disconnect the Apple first. So it says the sound is played by the speaker of the machine. Okay, so we've got speaker here, CarPlay Auto. Yep, got FM. You can do aux as well. So aux is probably what we would use for some headphones. The sound is played from the aux line output. So maybe if you had an extra speaker that you wanted to hook this up to, that would be something too. You can hook something up with that aux cord right there as well. So that's even another option. Apple AirPlay, Android Cast, Bluetooth music, and then of course the Wi-Fi video. Right there's your screen brightness. Let's go back to that. Screen brightness right there. So you can take it all the way down, all the way up. Okay, that's aux right here. This is Please adjust the volume in the original vehicle. That's just a volume knob. So here's the settings as well. So you can do all kinds of stuff here. You got the record resolution. You can adjust that. It's got screensaver, what kind of screensaver you want. Actually, it's a timing for the screensaver. So screensaver will turn it off. And then you got date and time, so we'll need to fix that. Split time. And then you've got voice control too. You got format. So format will erase all the data on the card. So that's kind of nice too. You think, all right, how do I don't have anything on my card, but I still want to use it. It's full. Just go right here to format and push that button. So got the microphone on and off. Driving position. A lot of this stuff has you disconnect your Apple CarPlay first. That's factory reset. Reminder tone. Okay, image mirror on or off. Turn that back off. Firmware version. This tells you what you got. Reverse line calibration. Okay, we're recording.